So here's the people looking at the big male African elephant. So they're looking through a big glass, dirty, thick glass, in through bars and wood. And the elephant, if you can even see him, with all the reflection of the people stopping you seeing him, is right there at the back of the cage. That's only how big the cage is, and that's only how wide the cage is. It is tiny. And then there's some sort of a little drainy thing here, and then we're back to where the people are standing, looking in at the elephant. Absolutely disgusting.